Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the two apps you want to use. Click and hold the green full screen button in the top left of the first window. This reveals left and right placement. Choose left to anchor the first app, and then click the second app's window to fill the opposite side. Once done, both apps share the screen without resizing manually. Make sure you use compatible apps. Some utility windows cannot enter split view. Now adjust the split. Hover over the vertical divider and drag to change proportions. This is useful when one app needs more space. If you want to reposition apps, open Mission Control and drag a window to another desktop or space. To swap sides, click and drag the app's title bar from one pane to the other. The OS will smoothly switch them. Make sure to release only when you see the highlight, otherwise you'll exit split view accidentally. To finish, move your cursor to the top of the screen and click the green button on either window to exit split view, or press ESC if available. If split view doesn't activate, ensure Mission Control options allow multiple displays and different spaces. Tweak settings in System Preferences. If Windows gets stuck, quit and relaunch the problematic app or log out and back in. One quick troubleshooting tip. Restart the Windows server by logging out. This resolves most stubborn layout issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.